Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now by checking MIUI version and signing into your My account. This matters because some toggles move between releases. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Notifications and Control Center. Make sure you locate Installed Apps and Special App Access. Those are the next screens we'll use. You won't wait for an update. Instead, identify the apps where ads appear, note them, and proceed to app-level permission and notification controls so you can stop ad delivery at its source. You now tackle apps one by one. Open Settings Apps Manage Apps, select the app and force stop it. Clear data if the app stores ad flags, then disable notifications and auto-start so it cannot push ads or restart in background. Next, open the app's internal settings and turn off any show ads or personalized ads options. If the app uses system overlay, revoke display over other apps. This method cuts delivery channels and prevents many ads from reappearing. Finish by disabling system ad services. Go to Settings, Additional Settings, Privacy Ad Services, and turn off personalized ads. Then disable recommendations in MIUI apps like Themes, File Manager, and Security. Make sure each app's toggle is off. Once done, reboot the phone so settings apply. If ads persist, clear system cache and recovery, update MIUI to the latest stable build, and as a last resort backup data and perform a factory reset. This usually removes stubborn ad injection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.